All right, this is how to print your name. Now, let's just say your name is Jason. So we're going to insert text. One thing that you don't want to do is just go into text and write Jason. I'm actually just going to write Tim instead because you'll see the J was a little low. So you don't want to just write TIM because when it prints, the T will be separate from the I and that will be separate from the M. So you'll actually just get 3 individual letters. So what I'd recommend doing is only writing the first letter of your name and then copy paste. And then with this one, then write the letter I and then take that and copy paste and then write the letter M. And then when you want to do that, what's a cool feature is to take it so that the T is just barely touching the I, like you see up there, and the I is barely touching the M. And then when you just want to align it this way and group them together, and then when this prints, it will be all together. So the whole piece will be stuck together, which ends up looking a lot cooler. Now, let's go to an example. I'm going to ungroup this. Let's say your name was Jason. I'm just going to write J to make it quicker. So we have J, copy paste, we're going to write A, and then copy paste, we're going to write Y. Something you might notice is that the J it kind of goes lower than the other letters, and a cool thing to print is that it's going to be tough. You're going to want it to not be like this, to be honest. You're going to want them to be the same size. So something you could do is you could check, okay, the height of the A is 19.82, so you could take the J and change this to 19.82. So now they're all the same size. And the J and the A kind of don't mix perfectly together because they both have that kind of rounded area. But if you do this and align it, you can see the A and the J are touching, the A and the Y are touching, and then you can group it. So you want to just have, instead of, if you have a 3-letter name, you don't want it to just be one text. You want it to be 3 different texts, each with 1 letter.